Hi, it's Nick again with CFMoto with another install video. Today we have the overhead storage bag. This fits the U600 and U1000. Let's get into it. Tools you're going to need today for this job is a screwdriver with a Phillips head bit. To get this installation started, we're going to open up our bag and get out the hardware, which comes with clips and screws for mounting. When you're installing the clips in the top roof, there are 4 pre-drilled holes in the center. You're going to want to make sure that the flat portion of the clip is facing downwards towards you in the cab. You'll install all 4 clips prior to putting the bag on the roof. Next, you'll begin to install the bag with the provided screws. This overhead storage bag features 4 compartments. Large overhead compartment in the front, large overhead compartment in the rear with a divider, and then 2 side compartments for quick access like phones or GPS. And there you have it. That's the installation of the overhead storage bag for the U600 and U1000. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And for all your parts and accessories needs, just like this one up here, visit CFMotoUSAparts.com.